Hi, my name's Melanie Smithson, and my daughter's not here to hold my camera today like she was last time. Um, and excuse my appearance. I've been working at my sister's, preparing my sister's wedding all day today. So um, I just wanted to share the career profile that I chose this time. It is called Clinical Program Manager. And basically what this job entails, it is actually in Campbell, California, which is not exactly where I live. Um, but it looked like a good job and a good opportunity to learn about. There was no contact person for this job. Um, I just found information on the internet about the job opening. And so it is for an EMQ Families First. It is a statewide nonprofit that helps children and families. The agency is one of the largest around, and does a lot of mental health treatment programs within California. Basically, it's a state of art approach to children and adolescents with behavioral health challenges. Many years ago, I worked at a youth school for behavioral children with teenagers with behavioral problems, and that was a really great experience. I learned a lot, and I had a lot of interesting experiences with the youth. It was fun, but that is similar to what this job is. This job is a full-time job. There's a lot of ups and downs and climbing and kneeling and standing for long hours, a lot of different stuff like that. You have to have, they required pretty good vision, good color vision. I don't know exactly why, but they did. But along with that, some of the things that I learned at the job years ago, which was similar, is some of the stressors for a job like this is working with youth, working with families. Sometimes the youth can be pretty negative and angry and need a lot of help and a lot of special attention, a lot of patience. So those are some of the stressors. But this company, EMQ Families First, is a very good company with lots of values and very good company to work with. Some of the benefits are just basic normal benefits of health and dental, vision, stuff like that. They have life and accidental insurance. They offer 401k, paid holidays, vacations, sick leave, all that stuff. The job tasks are, sorry, I can't see my paper very well. The job tasks are being able to work within the vision of the mission and philosophy of the agency, the vision, the mission, and philosophy of the agency. The job does a lot of hires, needs to be able to manage people, needs to be able to retain and collect clinical information, and work with the clinical staff and teams. They need to be able to work with the customers and have good customer satisfaction. Needs to also be able to be a liaison between the teams and the community partners. Need to be able to provide stewardship, the fiscal stewardship of teams, act as a bridge between the different departments. Need to be able to give high quality service to the customer. Education requirements are as it requires a master's degree, 5 years of direct clinical experience, including 3 years of children's mental health. So this is a lot more educational requirements than the one I did before. There's a 2 years of foster care and or adoption experience is required. And by the way, foster care is really cool. It's a lot of fun. We did that years ago as a family as well. Some other things, other qualifications that are helpful is to be able to be experienced in interfacing with county agencies. Bilingual is not a bad idea. They could really use that. California licenses for clinical social workers, marriage and family therapists, and doctor of philosophy, licensed practitioner. Those are some different things that could be extra qualifications. The starting salary ranges, actually, I didn't get a starting salary. They did not have it listed. I did call the company today and did not get a response back from them in regards to the salary. But I would imagine it's similar as some of the other ones that are also in this same area, which is 45 to 90,000 would be the range of the low-high range. So I learned a lot about this, and I really like the idea of working with the youth and of having the opportunity to help them and their families. I enjoyed it years ago working with the teenagers in the Provo Canyon School is where I worked, and I really loved that. So being a clinical program manager would, to me, be a very, very interesting job and give me the satisfaction of working with youth and enjoying that opportunity with them. So with that said, that's all I have for this career profile, and thank you very much for listening.